Brightly Abby in real life.
Asan na ate?
Alakay. Basta yung tissue. Na may muta. Ate, may muta ka rin. May muta. Daliri lang po yung pamuta. What? Uy, muta ka. Galaw mo na. Matigas na nga. Brightly. Sarap naman jowain ni Brightly.
Hi, Ate Abby! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Mom! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Mom! Happy birthday! 38 ka na. Ano na mangyayari? Pero believe ako sa'yo kahit na anong pagsubok ang nadaranasan mo dyan, you're still strong. I'm proud of you. And masayang-masaya ako for you. For especially this day, I hope na you will continue to be a sweet and loving daughter. So, happy birthday na, Lines! Paalam!
Happy birthday, Ninang Aw-Aw! We wish you more birthday and more money to come. Right, Elias? Elias really want to see and hug you na, Ninang Aw-Aw. Maybe soon. Maybe in Finland. Elias will look for a farm for you. Do you want that? Elias want that. See you soon, Abby. I love you. I miss you.
Hi, Abby! Happy birthday! I miss you! I hope umuwi ka na dito sa Pinas para makapag-over na tayo, para makaladkad uli kita palabas sa sobrang laseng. I miss you so much. I hope to see you soon. Again, I hope you enjoy your day. Happy birthday!
Hello, Tita Abby! Happy birthday! I wish you the best on this special day. Love you!
Hi, Abby! Happy birthday! I miss you so much. Sana ay maging malaki pang suso mo. I love you. I miss you. Mwah!
Happy birthday, Brightly Abby. Stay beautiful and bubalicious. Uwi ka na dito at aura pa tayo. Go! Happy birthday.
Hi, Ate Abby. Happy birthday po. Uwi na po kayo para makapag-outing na. Ingat po kayo dyan sa Singapore. Again, happy birthday po. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Ate Abby! My wish and greeting for you is on the letter you'll receive in November. Merry Christmas!
Hi Brightly! Happy birthday! I wish you all the happiness in this world. I know you are already successful. I hope you find someone who will not get intimidated by you. Someone has balls to love you unconditionally. Yan lang. See you soon. I hope I can visit you there in Singapore and more walwalan pag uwi mo here. Bye-bye!
Hi, Ate Brightly! Happy birthday! Tumatanda ka na at sana magkita na tayo dyan sa Singapore para makapag-bonding naman tayo. So, ayun, I hope you enjoy your day. See you soon! Bye!
Hi, Abby! I hope you remember me. Happy birthday! I wish a life full of happiness, good health, and a lot of sex. Bye!
Konnichiwa! Happy 38th birthday, Brightly! Ang layo na talaga na narating mo, no? Grabe. Akala mo yun, yung mga bata pa tayo, parang palaboy lang tayo. At ngayon, nasa SG ka na. And syempre, ako nakapag-Japan na rin. And hopefully, one of these days, makabisita ako dyan. Or, you're welcome to visit here at Japan, diba? Let's go! Happy birthday! Power to you!
Hi, Ate Brightly! Happy birthday! To one of my favorite YouTubers. Thank you so much for actually putting effort to make content for us and to entertain us. I hope you have a great day and I hope to see you soon and to be able to be featured in your vlog. Happiest birthday again!
Hello, I just wanted to wish a happy birthday to Sigrid's ate. You have the best day, more blessings to come, and a fruitful year ahead.
Hi, Abby! Naalala mo pa ba ako nung inaalagaan kita ng bata ka pa? Happy birthday!
Hi, Abby! Abby birthday! Abby birthday!
Hi, Abby! Happy birthday! Sana naaalala mo pa ako. And I miss spending time with you, especially pag mga outing. Ayun, happy birthday!
Hi, Ate Abby. Namiss mo ba ako? Happiest birthday. Sana masaya ka sa buhay mo. Huwag ka sanang mamatay, ha? Love you.
Happy birthday po, Abby. God bless.
Hi, Miss Brightly Abby. I'm Sophia Hao. Happy birthday. And I wish you all the best. Stay pretty and sexy.
Happy birthday, Brightly Abby.
Happy birthday, Brightly Abby. Watch Ambon Ulan Baha this September. Don't forget to today. Hulog. Happy birthday, Brightly Abby. Maraming salamat po.
Hey, Brightly. A happy birthday. I wish you all the best and have a good life. Have success, manifest everything. Love ya!
Happy birthday, Brightly. Nag-Duolingo ako para makapag-Tagalog. Mabati kita sa iyong kaarawan. So, yung subscription, Gcash mo na lang kay Sig because nangutan ako sa kanya. Wish ko sa birthday mo is ma-engage ka na rin just like me. Ako to si Maring Taylor Swift. Kasi masyado nakapag-prepare. But keep on doing music. Do what you love. And have fun on your birthday, sis.
Brightly, I wish you all the best. This is greetings from Senator Manny Pacquiao. Alam ko you represent the Philippines, the female Philippines in Singapore. Keep it up, Brightly. Tama ba? Brightly. Ano tama? Brightly Abby. So, yun lang. Money. More money. Manifest. Money and fist. Fistika. Happy birthday.
and Big Red, two sisters vlogging their hearts out. They'll do the 1,000 vlogs challenge with family and friends all around. Brightly and Big Red, vlogging and vlogging again. And Mom is there and friends all around. This bond is amazing, my friend. And let's go vlog again. Let's go vlog again.